Welcome to Metro. This is a service to
Strayatrains.
Stopping all stations.
Platform 2 will be Wednesday, running express from Newport to Laverton, then stopping all stations to Werribee. Always remember to touch on your license at the start of your journey.
Welcome to Newport Station for a day of train spotting. There should be a Comeng retirement transfer to Tottenham Yards. Hope you enjoy. Fun little fact as well, this is the spot where I filmed my first ever train vlog video. So yeah, pretty special moment and place for me right here. So, as this Comeng Set takes its last hurrah around the network before scrapping, let's take a look at its history. It entered service on Friday the 27th of February in 1987. On the 28th of June in 2002, it was refurbished by Alstom, and then later that year on the 12th of July, it returned back in service. On the 28th of September 2010, it received its Metro livery, which it has been in ever since. As you do know, I like to do my intros live on the day before filming. And for months and months, the transfers have been going to Tottenham Yards. But of course, the one day I come, it turns out the set is actually going to the McConnell Dowell Yard in MCINTYRE, Victoria. So slight correction there on the intro. That is where it is going to. And instead of it being a 6-car, it is a 3-car transfer out of Newport workshops, which is interesting. And since making this video, I did hold on it a little bit just to check. But it turns out scrapping has already started. So I mean, this is, yeah, literally this train's last hurrah around the network before it terminated at MCINTYRE and has been scrapped. So, yeah, kind of sad day, but it is what it is. And as they say, another one bites the dust. Anyway, enjoy the transfer.